Happy Rhyme Kids.
Three little toy trucks went honk honk, rolling through the playroom floor so plunk. Wheels spun round on the colorful mat. Friends cheered loudly, look at that! Blocks were carried and toys pushed around. Toy trucks rolled without a single sound. Horns beeped softly with a cheerful tone. Each little truck felt brave and grown. Now every playtime is full of delight. Toy trucks zoom from morning to night. Drivers laughed as engines went vroom. Tires rolled fast across the room. Toy trucks parked in a row so neat, ready to play and honk repeat. Humpty Dumpty sat on a high wall. Suddenly he wobbled and began to fall. Egg rescue squad raced with a hurry, sliding and flying in a flurry. Soft pillows, ladders and nets they used, every crack carefully being diffused. Hold on tight, shout the brave little crew. Humpty bound safely, what a view! Cheerful cheers filled the sunny street. Egg rescue squad never missed a beat. Humpty smiled with his shell intact. Squad celebrated with a little snack. Now every egg knows they're safe and sound. Squad protects them all around. Mission complete with a happy cheer. Eggs and friends are safe here. Squad is ready for the next big quest, helping everyone do their best. The bus rolled fast to Pirate Island Bay. Children laughed and shouted, hooray! Pirate hats bounced on every head. Treasure maps waved as the driver sped. Wheels went round and round on the road. Sails went flap with a cheerful load. Monkeys and parrots watched from the trees. Everyone waved as they caught the breeze. Planks and ropes shook on the pirate deck. Children balanced with careful check. Gold coins glittered in a chest so bright. Bus moved smoothly with all their might. Songs were sung with a happy cheer. Everyone laughed as adventure drew near. Now every ride is a jolly delight. Pirate Island fun from morning to night. Pony Princess galloped across the green. Her sparkly crown gleamed in the sun's sheen. Oops, she slipped and splashed in the mud. Crown tumbled down with a slippery thud. Friends came running to help her out. They laughed and giggled with a joyful shout. Hooves went squish and puddles went splat. Princess searched carefully and found where it sat. Finally the crown was polished and bright. Princess wore it proudly, feeling just right. Now every muddy puddle is a playful delight. She prances around from morning to night. Princess giggles with friends so near. Her sparkly crown is safe and clear. searching for treasure and all the shiny things. Banana trees swayed in the golden sun. Parrot knew his quest had just begun. Branches shook as he climbed up high. Treasure glittered beneath the sky. Coconuts rolled and monkeys cheered. Parrot squawked loudly, "The gold is here." Jewels and coins sparkled in a chest. Pirate felt proud he had passed the test. Pirate had tilted with a breath and grin. He tucked the treasure safely in his bin. Now every island is a place of delight. Pirate soars from morning to night. Friends clap wings as the treasure glows. Adventure continues wherever he goes. Banana leaves shimmered in the breeze. Pirate chuckled and danced with ease. Flamingo fairy waved her wand too high. Suddenly sand turned to ice nearby. Palm trees glittered with frosty snow. Children slipped as the cold winds blow. "Oops," said the fairy a little shy. The sun peeked out in the frozen sky. Snowflakes sparkled on the sandy shore. Crabs marched carefully across the floor. Friends helped melt the ice with warm rays. Beach returned to its sunny days. Now every fairy knows to be precise. Magic can be fun, but so dies. Flamingo laughed at her silly mistake and promised next time no snow to make. Yama Snow Elf wrapped a box with care, but put the wrong gift inside somewhere. Ribbon too big and paper too small. Friends opened it and laughed at all. It wasn't the doll nor the toy truck. It was a funny hat that made them chuck. Llama blushed, then giggled loud. Friends cheered and clapped in the crowd. Mistakes can happen, it's okay to try. Llama learned quickly, gave it a sly. Next gift was perfect, shiny and bright, wrapped with care under twinkling light. Now every elf knows to double check, so gifts bring joy without a wreck.